nice room. I can't get in. Mess up the door. No, don't lock. Oh, damn. My bike fell over. Okay, let's do this again. Just straighten up that thing. Okay, I'll do this. There we go. There. Okay. There we go. Perfect. Don't want to wreck my walls here, or I'm going to have to pay for any damages. All right. Room review here. Turn on the lights. Bathroom, nice bathroom. So I was lucky to get this rate at 101 and change for tonight. Tomorrow I think it's going up to 189. Okay, I'm trying to figure out these lights here. Closet, ironing board, safety latch. Okay, so checkout. I'm only staying one night, so 11 a.m. I love the floors, no carpeting. Good, good, good. Nice bed, nice size bed. And no view. That's fine. I'm just sleeping here. I got a coffee maker. Okay, that's good. Power on. All right, so I'm staying the night. That's the, there's mini fridge, complimentary water. That's good. Oh, I'm gonna get copyright now. I'll turn you off. Ah, good, turned off. That I can edit out. No, I don't want you on. Okay, 7:42 p.m. I need dinner. So this is the review. Good bed. I'm gonna sleep. Probably not close to the AC. Probably I'm gonna sleep on this bed. Yeah. All right, that's my review. Days in Niagara Falls Fallsview, which is no view. But otherwise, nice shower. Dove soap. That's better than what I've seen in a while. So, all good. Good towels. I could sleep. All right, here we are. Nice outdoor pool, which I didn't get a chance to use, as well as I don't know how to swim. It would have been nice to dip my toes in that, I guess, in the shallow end. But yeah, it's nice. Okay, stay here for one night. Only downfall was the TV. I find all hotels make it so complicated. Well, this TV was really complicated to figure out because they had all the Netflix, Prime available, all those, but then you have to pay for those ones. And to find the local news, it was hard to find a channel. Like I got figured out something there, and I ended up clicking on it, and it was the American news, but I want Canadian news. So anyway, that's my little downfall on that. Anyway, I may not include that. Turn back now. Oh, take a picture of this. Welcome to downtown Niagara Falls. That's since 1853. Hey, thanks for watching. Just to let you know, I have 4 channels altogether. All my content coincides with each other, so be sure to check out my channels so you can see the continuation of each presentation or live streams. My main channel is Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. The next channel is Multitask with Lizzo C. Food channel is What's Cooking with Lizzo C. There I do food reviews. I will live stream at home, some baking live streams. Check that out. And my latest one is Explore, Discover, Capture Day and Night Trips. So check them all out. Stay connected. And thanks for watching.